Iyalia Engineering Solutions, engineering the future, custom-made machine. Company overview. Nestled along the scenic Ooty Road in Narasimhanayakan-Palayam, Coimbatore, right beside ESH Hospital, stands a powerhouse of industrial innovation. Iyalia Engineering Solutions India Private Limited, spread across 1 acre of land with a 15,000 square feet build-up area. Iyalia has transformed from a humble beginning in 2010, registered as Private Limited in 2018, into a trailblazer in the world of special purpose machines or SPMs. The founder's vision. At the helm of this journey are Mr. Suresh and Mr. Anand, two visionaries who turned challenges into opportunities. Driven by deep engineering insight and a relentless pursuit of innovation, they have redefined what it means to deliver custom, reliable, and performance-driven solutions. Our mission: to empower engineering product manufacturers to maximize productivity, minimize manpower, optimize profits by delivering tailor-made machines that address their exact needs and challenges. What we do? We design and manufacture custom-built SPMs with individual operations like drilling, tapping, milling, boring, reaming, press work, component assembly, or combination of multiple operations, all the above. From manual, semi-automated to fully automated systems, we build machines that match your process, your pace, and your profit goals.
Hello, welcome to Iyalia Engineering Solutions. I am Anand, co-founder of Iyalia Engineering Solutions. We make special purpose machines, metal cutting and material handling machines. Let us go to see our factory and have a factory tour. Let us welcome.
Infrastructure and facilities. Inside our facility, we house VMCs, CNC lathe, precision tool room lathes, milling, grinding, welding and press machines, overhead cranes, and a robust power backup system, and a dedicated R&D center.
Welcome to our machine shop. We have the biggest facility of VMC, VFW 50, that is Morisiki, another VMC. We have CNC machines. So whatever the production requirement for our machineries, we do it in-house. Yeah, this is our assembly number 2, where we do our assembly of machineries. This is a multi-operational machine where a shaft and a rotor is assembled, put together in a press machine, and then it is center drill, spot faced drill, reamer, and then spring pin assembly in this with all the data of load checking, the depth checking and everything, and then finally put together, and everything is done automatically. And this is the third machine to this customer. So this is our fabrication area where we do fabrication of our all machines, and you come and see, like, this is a machine which is used in a steel plant where to convey the material from one place to another place. We are going into our assembly number 1 shop, and this is Suresh, the founder of Iyalia Engineering. Now you are watching all these machines, whatever the projects we have done. He is the person behind all these projects, and we have done more than 250 projects. Let us go and see all these the machinery is available at present in the factory, whatever project we are going to do. Okay, let us see. This is an 4-spindle deep hole drilling machine where we are going to do around 15 mm drill in this component, and it will be done all 4 components in one go. This is our customized special purpose press for brake housing breather hole punching, where we are going to do the breather hole punching in all the direction 360 degree. It's a combination of press and machine. This is our drilling and tapping machine with a rotary table, and this machine is under construction for M3 drilling and tapping, a fully automatic with the ball feeder system. This is a first of its kind machine with 12 spindle horizontal 5-axis CNC machine which can do this type of parts from all the 4 sides with any angle.
Innovation and impact. We have proudly delivered 50 plus first of its kind machines built from scratch using only customer input and output goals. Each solution stands as a custom-built masterpiece combining creativity, precision and performance. From a smallest gold earring screw weighing less than a gram to steel plant bar weighing in multiple tons, handled all sizes and shapes. Our SPMs deliver faster cycle times, reduced manpower and zero defect production. Clients who trust us. With over 450 machines running across India and 240 plus satisfied clients. Our process. Every machine starts with a problem and ends with a breakthrough. We follow a proven workflow: consultation, custom design, in-house manufacturing, precision testing, on-site implementation and lifelong support. Case study highlight. One of our clients tripled their production and slashed manpower needs from 3 to 1 using our rotary drilling tapping machine, reducing their cycle time from 40 seconds to just 12 seconds. Another client came up with a part-to-part production cycle time of 3 seconds, which normally will take more than 1 minute to finish in any standard machine, were completely satisfied with the output. People and partnerships. At Iyalia, we believe it's not just machines we build, it's trust. With a team of 50 plus engineering minds, we are a member of Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. We are built to lead, built to last, future ready. Our vision for tomorrow includes smarter automation, intelligent data integration, global collaboration, sustainable manufacturing practices. Why Iyalia? Because we say yes to challenges that others walk away from. We don't sell machines, we deliver precision, performance and partnerships that last.
Why should customer choose Iyalia?
We Iyalia make special purpose custom made metal cutting and material handling machines which can do higher productivity with multiple operations in multiple components with single operator and doing highest productivity, and your ROI will be double tripled. And we supply all over world, all over, like Russians, Americans, Dubai, UAE people are coming to us, and these are all world class machines available in India. Give us your challenge, we accept the challenge and we'll give you the world class quality machines.
Got a manufacturing challenge? Let's sit down and explore how Iyalia can engineer your next breakthrough. Iyalia Engineering Solutions India Private Limited. Engineering the future, one custom machine at a time.